you losing money in trading and not sure why? You might be making the same mistakes most beginners do. In this video, we'll break down the 5 most common trading mistakes and how you can avoid them starting today. Mistake number 1: trading without a plan. Jumping into trades without a strategy is like sailing without a compass. Successful traders have a clear plan that includes entry points, exit points, and risk management. Without a plan, you're gambling, not trading. Mistake number 2: risking too much. Many beginners risk large amounts on a single trade, hoping to hit it big. But pros know, risk management is key. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Protect your capital like your life depends on it. Because in trading, it kinda does. Mistake number 3: letting emotions control you. Fear, greed, and revenge are the enemies of every trader. When you let emotions drive your decisions, you abandon logic and discipline. Use a trading journal and stick to your rules, even when it's tough. Mistake number 4: overtrading. Trading too often can drain your account fast. Quality over quantity always wins. Focus on high probability setups and ignore the noise. Remember, more trades don't mean more profit. Often, it means more losses. Mistake number 5: not learning from mistakes. Repeating the same mistake is worse than making it once. Top traders review every trade, find what worked and what didn't, and constantly improve. Pro tip: keep a trading journal. It's your personal roadmap to success. Everyone makes mistakes, even the pros. The difference? Pros learn and adapt. Now that you know the top 5 beginner mistakes, you're already ahead of 90% of new traders. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more trading tips, and comment below which mistake have you made before.